Stop for a moment. Look around you. You think you are sitting alone in this room? You think no one is watching? By Allah, you are wrong. Right now, at this very second, there is a war taking place. A silent, invisible war. Not for land, not for money, but for you, for your heart, for your eternal soul. To your left, there is an enemy who has sworn by the might of Allah to destroy you. He is waiting for you to blink, waiting for you to forget. And to your right, there are soldiers of light, the Malaika, who are recording every breath you take. What if I told you that the veil between you and them is thinner than a spider's web? What if I told you that you can actually test their existence? Today, I am not here to give you a lecture. I am here to give you two experiments, two practical tests that will shake your heart and prove to you without a shadow of a doubt that the unseen world is real. Let us begin with the first test. Let us prove the existence of the open enemy, Shaitan. I want you to try this experiment yourself. One day, make a firm intention. Purify yourself with wudu, wear your best clothes, and stand in a quiet room for 2 rakahs of prayer. Make a promise to yourself. In these few minutes, I will not think of this dunya. I will only think of my Lord, Allah. You are intelligent, you are awake, you are in control, or so you think. But watch what happens. The moment you raise your hands and say, Allahu Akbar, a switch is flipped. Within 5 seconds, a thought will invade your mind, then another. Suddenly, you are thinking about your business, your family, a message you forgot to reply to. Why? How? You see, inside your chest, there is a receiver more advanced than any technology on earth. It is the qalb, the heart. The Prophet, peace be upon him, warned us that Shaitan sits on the heart of the believer, waiting like a thief. When you remember Allah, he retreats, but when you are heedless, he whispers. This battle in your mind is not random. It is proof that an external force is desperate to disconnect you from your Creator. If you cannot control your own thoughts for just 2 minutes, know that the enemy is real. Now, let us move to the second test, the existence of the angels. Think about this. You set 10 alarms for Fajr, yet you sleep through them. But if you have a flight to catch at 6 a.m. or $1 million business deal, do you even need an alarm? No, your heart wakes you up before the clock rings. So here is the challenge. Tonight, make an intention for Fajr that is stronger than any flight, stronger than any exam. Make a sincere pledge to Allah. Ya Allah, I want to stand before you. Do not ask your mother to wake you. Do not rely on the phone. Rely on the Lord of the throne. Allah has appointed angels, Hafaza, who protect and assist the believer. If your intention is true, Allah will command the means to wake you. You will feel it, a sudden breeze, a sudden shift in the room. Your eyes will snap open just moments before the adhan. This is not a coincidence. This is the tawfiq of Allah, sent through His hidden soldiers. But remember, angels are beings of purity. They do not enter a heart filled with filth, just as they do not enter a house filled with statues or dogs, as our Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us. My dear brothers and sisters, understand this rule. Light and darkness cannot exist in the same space. Where Shaitan is, the angels leave. Where the angels are, Shaitan flees. When you enter your home and forget to say Bismillah, Shaitan enters with you. He eats with you. He sleeps in your bed. But when you enter and say Assalamu alaikum, Shaitan screams to his companions, there is no dinner for you here. There is no bed for you here.
You want to see the angels? You want to feel their presence? Then become a person of Nur. Remember the Sahabi, Usaid ibn Hudayr, may Allah be pleased with him. As reported in Sahih Bukhari, he was reciting the Quran at night. His horse began to panic, jumping wildly. He stopped, and the horse calmed down. He recited again, and the horse panicked. When he looked at the sky, he saw a cloud of lamps ascending to the heavens. The Prophet, peace be upon him, told him the next day, "O Usaid, those were the angels listening to your Quran. If you had kept reading, the people would have seen them with their naked eyes." Subhanallah, they are here, but are we pure enough to invite them? We live as if we will stay here forever, but by Allah, a day is coming when the veil will be lifted permanently. We say we believe in the Akhirah, but our actions show we only believe in the dunya. Look at the story of Uzair, or the righteous man, in Surah Al-Baqarah. He asked, "How can Allah bring this dead town back to life?" So Allah caused him to die for 100 years. When he woke up, his food was fresh, but his donkey, it was dust and old bones. Then, right before his eyes, Allah commanded the bones to rise, to join together, to be clothed in flesh, so you may know that Allah has power over all things. My dear Muslim, your death is already written. Your resurrection is a promise. Imagine the moment you stand in Jannah. The lowest person in paradise will have 10 times this world. But the greatest regret? The greatest regret will be, why did I not worship more? Why did I let Shaitan win? Do not let that be your story. Subscribe for more reminders that wake the soul.